sa Filipino culture,
Oh.
dapat chin na.
Ah.
By the step, sasucceed.
Step by step. At dahil dyan, sasagutin ko na rin.
Ano yung question mo? Tanong mo.
Ano yun na?
From being a singer,
Ay,
dancing,
Alam mo,
and
kasi host na kita ganyan.
So, from being a host and an actress, ano ba ang minamanifest mo for yourself? Do you have perhaps any projects or collabs you're looking forward to in the future?
Bakit ako dito nakubo? Nakakita na ba ako?
Yun po, nilalook forward ko po na mas marami pang projects at ulit nakapag-acting.
Pursue acting.
Yun po. At speaking of mga opportunity po, maraming salamat po pala sa Media Quest Artist Agency. Ayan. At sa buong team. At kay Sir Veggie sa tournament.
Before I ask my Botox.
O, ayan. O,
Okay.
okay. Naman kayo dyan. Char.
So, since you talked about being single, what do you look for in a...
Ako po yung taong mapagmahal, may respeto.